everyone, how's everyone doing? I'm so excited to see you today. I'm always excited. Oh my goodness, so today is December 17th, 2022. I'm excited. I'm always excited. I keep saying that. I don't know. I'm just always excited. I'm always usually happy. Usually. Always. This is kind of like my personality. Anyway. So we are doing our Christmas advent calendar from Sugoi Mart by Japan Crates. And I'm, of course, excited to see what we got in our box. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I keep saying excited. All right, I will see you soon. Bye. Guys, of course, I have to recap. So, 1, Thunder Bars. 2, thing I can't get out, Pac-Man. 3, our Kirby. 4, matcha. 5, sushi candy or keychain. Sorry. 6, our bunny, little bunny rabbit. 7, can't wait to eat this, guys. Okay, then 8, of course, was our mask, which is over here because I can't fit it back in the box. And then 9, as you can see, our box looks pretty bad. 9, and that is our curry. And then 10, our hockey car van. 11, marshmallows. Let's see, 12. Again, I love the design, it's so nice. Cheesecake flavored Kit Kats. 13, our cute little steak plate. 13. Let's see, 14. You would think I would remember where all the squares are. I don't. 14 is our chocolate biscuits. 2 of those. 15. And more of the whole food. So sushi. It was going to be the glass. Sushi green tea. 16 was our cinnamon roll bath bomb toy, 20th anniversary. And then 17. Look at that. That's so cozy. Wonderful, right? Okay, here we go. It's a kitty. It's a kitty plushie. How adorable is that? Oh, he's so cute. Oh, so cute. Kitty plushie. Alrighty. Day 17. Enjoy your week.